It has been almost 2 years now since I started using this AI social media tool that completely transformed my business. It helped me grow my faceless theme page from 0 to over 345,000 followers. And it helped me go viral over and over and over again with posts with as much as 125,000 likes and 49 million views in a single month. And the best part is I have been teaching others my exact strategy with this tool, and my students are getting insane results too. So Jason has been able to reach over 5 million people with a single post, and David was able to grow his theme page from 0 to over 100,000 followers in just 6 months. And I have countless other students getting win after win after win using this same tool. So if you're spending hours every single day trying your best to keep up with social media content, constantly wondering what to post next, and feeling like you're always behind, you're definitely not alone. I completely get it, and I was there once too. A couple years ago, I was spending every waking hour trying to post content on social media. I was posting manually, and it really just wasn't sustainable. And so today, I'm going to show you exactly why I believe Post Planner is the best social media content scheduler for content creators, and how it saved me literally thousands of hours over the past 2 years. So whether you're building a theme page, selling products, promoting affiliate offers, or just trying to grow your audience, this is the exact same system that I've been using for the last 2 years. And if you stay until the very end, I'm going to share with you the exact mindset shift that helped me stop feeling overwhelmed by social media altogether. Hey, I'm Angie, and on this channel, I teach you how to build online income streams using social media, AI, and e-commerce. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do because I post new videos every single week showing you exactly what's working right now. So now let's jump into the Post Planner tutorial.
All right, so if you're not signed up with Post Planner yet, I'm going to leave this link directly below this video where you can actually try it for free. You get a free 7-day trial, and then if you decide you like it and you want to keep it, you can use my code Angie25 in order to save 25%. And yes, I am an affiliate of this tool, but this is by far one of the best tools that I have in my arsenal to run my business. And for those of you that have been following my story for a long time, I paid for this tool. I used it to get to 100,000 followers, and then I reached out to the company to partner with them in order to bring you these free trainings on YouTube. So yes, I 100% swear by this tool, and I hope you love it too. So my testimonial is here on the page where I grew to 100,000 followers in 90 days and 320,000 followers in 7 months using this tool. Now, once you're logged in, one of the first things that you want to do is come down here to the settings in the bottom left, and then you're going to connect all of your social media accounts. And if you scroll through, you can see there's Facebook, Instagram, Google Business, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Threads, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, and Blue Sky. So you can connect all of your socials in this one account. It's going to save you from logging in and out of different platforms. And with one click of the button, it can post to every single one of these. And then next, we want to hop over to Plan and set up our posting schedule. So we have Sunday through Saturday, and you can go through and click to add a posting time. And as you can see, mine is already filled out here. So I just take a break between 12 a.m. and 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Every other time slot throughout the week is set up within my queue. I literally post about 18 times per day right now. And now here is my absolute favorite feature of Post Planner, and this is where I do all of my research under the Content tab. So you can type in any social media account, keyword, hashtag, or website right here at the top, and then it will save your favorite creators and pages right here. So I like to have at least 10 that I reference on a daily basis in order to help me come up with my content. Now, if we click on one that we have saved, we can instantly see their best performing posts, not just in the last 24 hours, but in the last week, in the last year, and the last 3 years. And I do find some real gold mines right here in the last 3 years that a lot of other creators will not be able to find, because there's no way you could ever scroll back 3 years on someone's page to find one of their posts that has 200 216,000 engagements. And why is this so powerful? Because social media leaves clues. The biggest mistakes that I see creators make is try to reinvent the wheel. Instead, we study what is already proven to work. So you do not need to guess, we just observe. And that's exactly what this tool helps you to do. So as you can see, 216,000 likes for this one, 112 shares, 8,000 comments. And then the next one, 100,000 likes, 7,000 comments, 64,000 shares. So if we then model this content, recreate it for ourselves, use it as inspiration, right? Not copy, but use it as inspiration with, say, ChatGPT or another AI tool, we can have our own brand, but with proven to go viral types of content. Now, here's a feature that saves me so much time, and this is the grid where all of your posts are scheduled. I do not want you to be glued to your phone all day posting content, right? That is not freedom. We want a business where we can work a couple hours a week and then we can set it and forget it. And that is exactly what I do. So I'm able to batch everything out, create my content, load it here into Post Planner, and have it fall into these time slots. And now here's my little secret weapon, and here's where it gets really powerful. After you've been posting consistently for a while, you have built a library of winning content. And instead of constantly starting from zero, you simply look at what's already performed well on your page. Then you can click reschedule it and you are all set. So let's just pretend that this is actually your account right here. You put it in the search bar here, pull it up. You can see over the last 3 years, let's say this post was your best performing post. You can click on it right here and it's going to load it up in your queue right there. And let's say you want to do your next performing post. You can click that one and the next one. Then you can click create posts and it's going to load all of these up for you with one single click, and then you can click this green button to add them to your queue. And just like that, you have scheduled 6 posts to go out on your behalf in literally seconds. People often think that viral content only works once, but that is simply not true. New followers haven't seen your old content yet. Algorithms change, audiences change. Facebook is constantly pushing posts out to non-followers, so great content deserves to be seen more than one time. So I have now built 2 years of content inside of my business. So if I wanted, I could schedule an entire month's worth of proven posts in just a few minutes. So that is truly how powerful this tool is. And just every piece of content you create today becomes an investment that can continue working for your business for many years to come. And I 100% would not have been able to grow to 374,000 followers in the short amount of time that I did without this tool. And of course, it's not just about the followers, it's about having a solid, legitimate business that pays me in multiple ways, from Facebook content monetization program to affiliate offers, digital products, brand deals, and so much more.
So if there's one thing that I hope that you take away from this, it's this. Stop trying to be perfect. Start trying to be consistent. The creators who win aren't always the smartest or the most talented. They're the ones who keep showing up long after everyone else gets distracted or gives up. And just know the right tools don't replace hard work, they multiply it. And for me, Post Planner is that tool. It helps me stay organized, save thousands of hours, research better content, and build a system that continues to work whether I'm at my computer or not. So if you'd like to try it out for yourself, I've left my link down below in the description along with a coupon code so you can save some money. You do get a free trial, so there's no risk. You can test it out and see if you like it. And if you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you give this video a like. It tells YouTube that this content was valuable and helps more creators discover it. So if you're serious about growing on social media, building multiple income streams, and using AI to work smarter instead of harder, I welcome you to the community here. We don't talk about theory here, only practicality and what is working in real time, things I actually do in my business that are working for me and my students. If you would like to become a student as well, I have a full course and live coaching community, which is absolutely priceless. We go live twice per month in that community. I'm available every single day in the Facebook group, and we're in in there celebrating wins, sharing what's working, and a rising tide lifts all ships. If you can surround yourself by other winners, you too can become one. So make it an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.